over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. So we're getting our bags now. We just went through customs or immigration, whatever it's called, where they check your passport, stamp it, and all of that stuff. And now we are getting our bag. My bag is right there, the pink one, but I'm gonna wait until it comes around to get it. So we got this heavy old bag.
My killers don't tell. Shut down my mouth cause in New York is shut. Now my bitches to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
So here we are in the room. What I've noticed in Asia so far is that they have these little key slots, and you have to put your room key in the slot so that the electricity will come on. Otherwise, there will be no electricity.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded.
So we finally made it to the hair factory in Cambodia. Right here you see she's actually making a lace closure. So throughout this whole tour, I was able to show you how the lace products were made. They're all made the same way. Of course, they don't all use the same hair because different countries provide different hair quality. So Cambodia uses Cambodian hair, sorry. You know, India uses Indian hair. In Vietnam, they use a mixture of Indian and Vietnamese hair. But that was the tour. I hope you enjoyed this hair tour. You got to see the behind the scenes of 3 countries, and you can see like they all use the same technique. It was really cool, a really cool experience, and I actually enjoyed all of these countries. But that is the end of the tour, and I hope it was beneficial to you and you was able to learn more information of hair extensions behind the scenes.
Yeah. Chicken feet.